Hi everyone, my name is Francisca Shefumi Adirobaki. This is my 3MTT Next Gen Capstone project, Data Analysis and Visualization track. I built this Power BI dashboard to analyze food delivery order, and it was branded for a fictional vendor that I called Kate Kitchen. My goal was to help food delivery vendors to understand their order, revenue, restaurant performance, and customer behavior so as to make better business decisions. A food delivery data set was obtained from GitHub, which consists of Indian cities and cuisines. But for the sake of this project, I adapted the city and cuisines categories to reflect a Nigerian business context. I work with three data formats: CSV for orders, SQL for restaurant information, and JSON for customer data. I combined them in my SQL and connected Power BI directly to the database for analysis and visualization. This is my executive dashboard, which gives an overview of business performance. The analysis covers 10,000 orders, generating approximately 8 million in revenue with an average order value of about 801 naira. The dashboard also shows the total number of customers, restaurants, and the overall customer ratings. Revenue by city and order by city allow the business to compare performances across cities. Lagos has the highest revenue and also the highest orders. The top 5 restaurants by revenue helps to identify restaurants contributing the most revenue. This is the customer distribution by city, and here is the city slicer, which allows users to focus the analysis on a specific city. Page 2 provides deeper customer and sales insights. The cuisine slicer allows users to explore a specific cuisine and interactively explore its performance across the page. Revenue by cuisine and order by cuisine help to identify the food categories that generate the most revenue and here Nigerian cuisine has the highest number of orders. The revenue by membership type compared the contribution of good and regular customers. The dashboard also compares average customer ratings by cuisine and by city, helping the business to understand customer experience. Based on these findings, Nigerian food delivery businesses can focus resources on high-performing cities and popular cuisines, strengthening partnerships with successful restaurants, and support the performance of low-revenue restaurants. This project demonstrates how data analysis and Power BI can turn food delivery data into actionable insights, helping Nigerian food vendors to make informed business decisions. Thank you for watching. Bye.